Assalamu alaikum. So in day 5 we are going to discuss about multi-line comments. Okay, multi-line comments. Actually, what is that? Multi-line comments. So I can put that a is equal to da 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 da. So a is equal to, I can put a is equal to this, and sometimes we can do a lot of, and this, what is this? So sometimes we have large number of lines and something. So can how we combines two lines? So computer say that is a single line. Okay. So first we go to internet and see some example of multi-line comments in Python. Okay. Python comments is comments hello world, print hello world. Okay, this is simple. Print hello words dot hello. This is a comment. Okay, example hello world dot hello. So first thing we learned that print, and we can use name. Okay, this is they can print name. Okay, they can print, but if we use this symbol and name one, and we can write this, what they do, name one. This is first way we can print. This is a symbol. We use commas to separate the line. Okay, this is the first way we can separate. Or this is what is name. But mentor one is they can use this symbol. So what is going to the symbol? Okay, they can simply display this symbol. Okay, they can simply this symbol. Okay, what is this? This is a command mode. Print hello words. This is same way. Okay, one line. This is print in. This is comment more than one line. Hello world. This is same thing everywhere. This is a comment. Print hello words or hello world. What is this a comment? Okay, I think this is a short. So here is another method. You can use forward slash and space gul everything what you want, and here they can also print as a forward slash. Okay, this is multi-line comments. Okay, we can see some more example of multi-line comments. Multi-comment reference and process organizations. I think this is a organization. What is this in? You can say Python. Okay, Python comments, how to comment on multiple line comment. Okay, it is a question वो हम look out उन क्वेश्चन को भी करने को नेचुरल करने को भी सीखने को मिल जाती है sometime. So print hello world, they use same methods. They can use space. So print hello words, hello camps. They can use this symbol and the hello words, print hello universe, hello everyone. Okay, print hello campus. They can print hello campus. What is different? They can use same method, print universe, print hello world, print every one. They can num1 num2 def add number, num1 plus num2, add num1 num2 num3 3, print number 2 3, output is 9. But is well additions, they return number 1 num2 plus num3, print add number 2 3. ये this is a function defined एडिशन ऑफ नंबर का एक फंक्शन है, इसको भी हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। बाकी हाँ, ये एक फंक्शन है या दिस इज फंक्शन. ओके, वी कैन से आउटपुट 0 9, आउटपुट 9 है जी. ये और देखें फंक्शन डिफाइंड एक फंक्शन है. ओके, डेफ इस पे आप माउस लेके आए, ये एक मिनट 4 लाइन. ओके, ये 4 लाइन एक्चुअली दिस थिंग 4 होगी. डिफाइन ऐड नंबर का एक फंक्शन है जिसमें num1 होगा, num2 होगा, num3 होगा, ओके। वन एंड व्हाट ए फंक्शन दैट रिटर्न टू सम ऑफ थ्री नंबर्स। अगर हम इसमें num3 भी ऐड करते हैं, num3 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 ऑलरेडी, num4, तो थ्री नंबर्स नहीं होगा, ये अब फोर नंबर हो जाएगा, ओके। फोर नंबर num1 एंड we use plus num4 and we use another keywords 5. Output will be different from order, okay. Okay, now output is 9 plus 5 15. Here is output is 9 but our output is 15. Why? This is a function define add numbers num1 number first number second number third and fourth. A function that is used to return a number. Here is some comments, okay. That's not mean anything to code. You can say, you can everywhere return it, they can always put same result, okay. You can also remove these lines. This is a command line. Actually we use this method. Wait, they can use this method to comment, okay. They can use this method to comment hello sir, I use hello sir. They can display here in front of that in output, okay. Hello sir. They can actually comment out this thing. We can comment out simply. I tell you shift this, we use this anything. This is not a part of code, so we can use this, okay. Return is command num1 num2 plus num4 print add number। किसमें हम समटाइम हम वी कैन पहले ऐसे करते थे ना, पहले करते थे a इज इक्वल टू 2 करते थे, b इज इक्वल टू करते थे 3 एंड c इज इक्वल टू हम करते थे 4 एंड d इज इक्वल टू 5। और एडिशन ऐसे करते थे, एडिशन इक्वल टू ऐसे करते थे ए प्लस बी प्लस सी प्लस डी, सॉरी कंट्रोल Z plus D, okay. So now we say print and then we say addition A-double-D-I-T-I-O, and what mean by addition, sorry. And they can say some, this game both have same answer, but they have different method to write that and how to they we write it, okay. Instead of doing this long calculation, and this is one line code, 2 3 4 5 6 line code, okay, we can cut it, okay. Now we solving only all these thing in just in 4 lines, okay. Print add number 2 4 and 5. So this is a way where you can write add number is a, this is another method to add number. So here is output, okay. I can take it screenshot, and here what is, okay, we can add it. If I add number num1 to function add number 3, okay, this thing is same, output is add number, output is same, okay. This is a function जो हमने discuss कर दिया, okay.